Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to go over the top 3 penny stocks to get in September 2024. And yeah, let's get started with the Asset Entities Incorporated. NASDAQ, it is ASST. This is a high potential penny stock. I'm going to show you the chart right here. The current chart is right here, excuse me. And as you can see today so far is down, but it has increased over the course of today. Obviously, we're only just a few hours into the day, but it has increased. This is a penny stock. It is only $2.39, and this is a low, very low stock. It is only 2.5 million. The float is only 2.5 million. The float is the amount of shares available to purchase. High potential penny stock. Get in now while the float is low before the shares are gone. Only 2.5 million shares. Very low float. Get it before the price goes up and the demand goes up. When the demand goes up, the price goes up. Stock went up 250% on August 28th after a short decline a few days earlier. So this one is a must get. It is only $2.39 a share. So consider that when you get a chance. Neonode Incorporated, NASDAQ is Neon. Price spiked at over 200% when demand increased after a court ruling. But first, wait, hold on. Let's go back to the asset entities. Let me show you this chart a little further. This year to date right here. From January 1st to today. September, well, going into Monday, September 9th. This is ending Friday, September 6th. Obviously, the market isn't open yet as of the date, as of the time right now. 239 is the cost of it currently. It's only 2.5 million. 2.5 million is available to purchase right now. So you may want to get in on it now. And as you can see, it spiked on August 28th. As you can see right there. Went from 194, excuse me, to 277. Now it is up to 239. The float is very low with this one, so consider that. Then we move on to Neonode on NASDAQ. Neonode Incorporated. All right, the price spiked over 200% when the demand increased after a positive court ruling, after a patent dispute with Samsung. They won the case over a patent with Samsung. The price spiked after that when the demand increased. Then the demand started to increase. Now the price is starting to increase. So I suggest you get in on it right now before it is before the float fills up. This is also a low float. This is the highest float, but this is the lowest of the highest of the three. But it's still a low float with this one, below 10 million shares, and obviously it's a little bit higher on the price scale when it comes to penny stocks. Penny stocks are usually $5 or less, but it depends on who you talk to. But this one's only $6.70 currently. This one's the one I would consider with this one, even if you don't plan on selling today. Even if you don't plan on selling it, even if you don't plan on buying it long term, you can sell it short term and get a temporary profit, get a quick profit off of it. The next one is Branch Out Foods. On NASDAQ, it is BOF. Boosted over 600% in revenue. In year to date, stock went up 510% on August 28th alone after an announcement of future plans and growth and debt elimination. Still has a low float, so grab the shares now before the price and demand increases. BOF, as we can see here, most people going to say it is on a decline. You buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Year to date looks like this. All green. As you can see, it went up from 64 cents August 26th to now $2.78. And yeah, this is one I would consider. And yeah, very low float with this one as well. Grab it now. The float is only, I believe it's 4.7 million. This float is over is at 4.7 million currently. BOF is the nickname on Nasdaq. And yeah, consider this one as well a penny stock you get for cheap. Trade or buy low, sell high. Trade or hold on to it long term. I suggest you trade this when you get the opportunity. When you get the opportunity, if you buy enough, that is. But if you buy a low amount, hold on to it. But yeah, these are just free 3 stocks that I'm giving for the month. And yeah, join the Patreon. All the information on the stocks and trades is on the Patreon. Link is in the description and in the video. You guys take care. I'll see you guys in the next video.